My name is Ash Thorne, and my business's name is Hardy & Fuller, a metal space. Hardy & Fuller has been operating for about 3 years. It is a women-owned and queer-owned blacksmith and metal maker space. We are also the only blacksmith and metal maker space in Denver. We offer classes on the regular. We offer blacksmithing, welding, jewelry making, and plasma cutting, as well as the super popular knife making. And then we have events that happen every month, and they can range from all different types of things. We do copper events, so copper calla lilies, copper boobs. We make stainless steel chopsticks with soy sauce dishes, snake pendants, queer events, as well as date nights where we forge roses. In the shop, you're going to find a blacksmith area with 3 anvils and a forge in the center. Then I have my fabrication tools in the back of the shop with a fleet of belt sanders. I have saws and drill presses and all the fun things to measure. Then we have a welding station with 3 multi-purpose welders that all operate doing MIG, TIG, and stick. I have a plasma table where I teach plasma CNC, and that is a computer numerical controlled plasma cutting. I love my community so much because it's just a bunch of people who want to learn something new, people who are interested in playing with fire and also interested in failing and coming back and trying again. This is a harder thing to learn, but it is very gratifying as you continue going forward with it. I want to recommend Chin Up, which is a queer and women-only gym. They're just down the street from us, and they're awesome. I also want to recommend the Tool Library, which is a nonprofit, literally tool library. You can rent tools from them, and they have a great wood shop in the back that you can rent time at. I can't think of it. Those were my 2 that were on my brain. Yeah. Bye!